Good day everyone, Apex Lab here. So today is Thursday. Yesterday may news CUS na nagkaroon ng big retracement mula dito sa low hanggang sa high. Nag-retrace tayo sa 50% ng price. So right now nasa expansion phase nasa 100. So lagyan natin si PV extension from this low to this high and this low. So right now we're currently rejecting at 78% level. So dito sa 78% level, gusto natin makita yung price na mag-reject or bumuta sa level na to. Mag-change of character pa baba or mag-break of structure pataas. So in 5 minutes time frame, we have break of structure dito sa 19783 level. We see price rejected, then umangat. So right now, we will wait for the 8 a.m. Opening ng Asian session. Then titignan natin kung akit ba yung price, babasok sa 78% level o magkikreate ng a probable double top formation for probable reversal. Saka pa lang mag-entry sa market. So right now, waiting game ngayon kay Nas. So wait lang natin kung anong gagawin ng price. Right now it's 8 o'clock. We might get a break above this high for continuation of the trend. So meron din tayong red folder news ng 11 a.m. ng JPY. So iwas tayo ng time na yan kasi gawa ng rules ng prop. So that's all for today analysis. Post the result later kung nag-position ako ng trade or nag-skip ako ng trade ngayon kasi mukhang mag-consolidate lang yung price. So that's all. See you later.